Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be sharing with you some of the best movies related to the stock market. These movies have been chosen based on their entertainment value as well as their educational value, as they can help you understand some of the key concepts related to the stock market. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, the first we are going to discuss is The Big Short. It's a drama comedy movie that tells the story of a group of investors who predicted the housing market crash in 2008 and made a fortune by betting against the housing market. The movie explores complex financial concepts such as mortgage-backed securities, credit default swaps, and collateralized debt obligations. The Big Short is an entertaining and educational movie that will give you a better understanding of the 2008 GFC, Global Financial Crisis. And I have to mention here that it is based on the #1 international bestseller from the author of The Liar's Poker, Michael Lewis. So, well, maybe first it's gonna be better to go through the book and then watch the movie, but it's up to you guys. The next one, Wall Street, is a classic movie that explores the world of the insider trading, corporate riders, and greed in the 1980s. The movie follows the story of a young stockbroker who idolizes a wealthy investor who becomes his mentor. Wall Street highlights the importance of ethics in the world of the finance and shows how greed can lead to downfall. But isn't Michael Douglas said greed is good? So when the Wall Street Part 1 been related to the 1980s, the Wall Street Money Never Sleeps is related to GFC, Global Financial Crisis, with the Michael Douglas here again, and we have very small episode when it comes to the Charlie Sheen. And again, we are going to put the question, is the greed good? The Wolf of Wall Street, biographical black comedy directed by Martin Scorsese and starring with Leonardo DiCaprio. The film is based on the true story of Jordan Belfort, a wealthy stockbroker who made a fortune through the securities fraud and corruption in the late 1980s and early 1990s. The movie follows Belfort's rise to power as he starts his own firm, Stratton Oakmont, and engage in unethical and illegal activities to maintain his lavish lifestyle. The film is known for its high energy and fast-paced sense, explicit content, and humorous take on the excesses of Wall Street culture. Here we go, another one, Boiler Room. It's a drama movie that revolves around a group of young stockbrokers who operate a fraudulent brokerage firm that scams unsuspecting investors. And again, the movie is based on the real-life story of, yes, you're right, Jordan Belfort, who was convicted of securities fraud and money laundering. The Boiler Room is an engaging and cautionary tale that exposes the dark side of the stock market. The next I really love. Margin Call is a thriller movie that takes place during the 2008 GFC, Global Financial Crisis. The movie explores the events that led to the crisis and the decision made by the investment bankers as they try to save their company from the collapse. Margin Call is a gripping and thought-provoking movie that shows the devastating effects of corporate greed and the importance of risk management. Another one, Rug Trader, is a biographical movie that tells the story of the Nick Lesson, a trader who caused the collapse of Baring Banks, one of the oldest and most prestigious banks in the UK. The movie explores lessons, rise and fall as a trader and the events that led to the collapse of the bank. Is the greed good? Rug Trader is an engaging and informative movie that shows the dangers of unchecked risk-taking in the stock market. So as you can see, all that big movies are based either on the big events took place in the past or based on some personal stories, right? So hopefully you like it, you will enjoy the movies. Please leave the comment in the comment section, like and subscribe if you haven't already. So that's it for today, guys. Wish you great next trading session as usual. See you around. Take care and goodbye.